Many iPhone users facing no service issue. One of the biggest side effects when your iPhone says no service is that its battery begins to die very quickly. Let's see. Why does iPhone say no service? The issue will appear in the areas with no network coverage, or poor network, damaged SIM card or improper insertion of the SIM card, issues with your carrier or account, cellular services, it will affect your service due to some software or hardware issue, SIM card damage, or water damage. If your iPhone started to say no service after it got wet, there's a good chance that water damage is causing the problem. Before changing any settings on iPhone or performing any actions, some simple checks may help you find the problem and resolve quickly. Check your coverage area. Make sure that you're in an area where your service provider provides cellular network coverage. Firstly, make that cellular data is set to on. To do this, go to Settings. Tap on Mobile Data. Toggle on Mobile Data. Here tap on Mobile Data Options. Make sure that data roaming is set to on. Secondly, you might also want to ensure that the iPhone itself is not damaged in some way. Check for any hardware damage on the device that could be causing the issue. Check date and time settings set automatically. To fix this issue, turn airplane mode on and off. To do this, go to Settings app, then airplane mode toggle on, and wait about 60 seconds, and then turn it off again. Next, take out the SIM card and reinsert it. Open the tray with a SIM ejector, and then take out the SIM card. Check it for any damage and it is fine, put it back and close the tray. Check if the network has been restored. Next, update iPhone software. A software update can also work to fix the problem. To check software update, go to Settings app. Then tap on General. In General page tap on Software Update. Check if software update is available. Then tap on Download and Install to install it. Next, update carrier settings. Updating your carrier settings can also work to fix the problem. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. In General page tap on About. To check if there is a network carrier update. Next, change voice and data settings. Some voice and data signals in a nearby area can interfere with your iPhone's connection. These simple steps will help you change the settings. Go to Settings. Tap on Mobile Data. Tap on Mobile Data Options. Tap on Voice and Data. You can then switch from 4G to 3G or from 3G to 4G. Next, reset network settings. Go to Settings. Tap on General. In General page scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset. Here tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Enter screen time passcode. Again tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm it. To know what happens when we do reset network settings, watch another video, link in I button and description. Next, reset all settings. If the device still won't connect, you may want to reset all settings. To know what happens when we do reset all settings, watch another video, link in I button and description. To do that, go to Settings. Tap on General. In General page scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset. Here tap on Reset. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Enter your screen time passcode. Again tap on Reset all settings to confirm this process. If this video is helpful for then please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.